Here's my take on a refresh of one of my PC workstation. I upgraded the case with a Thermaltake Tower 200 Bumblebee Edition, highly modified. And let's take a tour of that. To remove the side panel, basically grab the handle in the back, pop off the top. You have your grips right here. And again, your panels are filtered, screen mesh. Yeah, you can access inside the case from every angle, and that's what's great about the case. The rear panel here also has dust filtration, which is held on magnetically into the in the rubber, and it's also held on magnetically to the back side, so you can access your hard drives, your wiring. Has these real nice channels down the sides to wire in, cable manage the components. And yeah, it's a really nice case for around $100. There's the left side, the front view, and the right side. This is just a quick little review of my PC building, and stay tuned for what's next. Tower 300 is going to be even better than this one.